All right, so now let's take a look here at drawing them. I think drawing them is way easier than naming them, because drawing them, you just need to find the root of the long chain, prefixes on the branch, and then go to work. So here's an example. Let me just show one that's really pretty crazy. If I say draw this, 5-butyl 3,4-diethyl 3,6,6 trimethyl. I know. 5-propyl decane. Are you kidding me with that thing? But you're going to be able to, I know you can draw this in almost, with almost no difficulty. It seems cool out, really. You'll be able to go home tonight and just be like, look how cool I am. 5-butyl 3,4-diethyl 3,6,6 trimethyl 5-propyl decane. Mom, watch me draw this. Okay? That's the wrong drawing. All right, so here you go. Absolutely right. So for drawing them, you really just want to find the root of the long chain, just like M says. And so that's your decane. So let's be simple. Let's just put 10 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. I've got 10 carbons in a row, right? If you wanted to, you could number them. 1, 2, 3. You know, you don't necessarily need to, but I've got my 10 carbons in a row. So that's the first thing we do. The next thing we're going to do is just start popping on some branches. And notice, I will notice this just so that we kind of recognize it. They're in alphabetical order. Butyl is B first. Now, we use the E for ethyl. Even though there's a D for diethyl, if it was, let's say, dibutyl, we would still be just looking at the B. So B comes before, and E comes next, then your methyl, then your propyl, okay? So alphabetical goes with the prefixes for the branches. Now, off of the 5th carbon, the number 5 tells me that off of the 5th carbon, I've got to put a butyl. How many is but? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Off of the 5th, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a butyl.
Does it matter if you go up or down?
No. No, it doesn't matter if you go up or down. Off of the 3 and 4, this means I have 2 ethyls off the 3 and 4. So, off of the 3, here's an ethyl. And off of the 4, just for fun, Eileen, I'm going to put it down. This looks nice. So they both are ethyls off of the 3 and 4. Notice on this one, I have 3 methyls. You could, you mean, what do you mean one on each side? Oh no, if you split the 2, that's a great question. What Danielle's asking is, this right here is not an ethyl. What that is 2 different methyls. Okay, so, what's that now? Right, so the next one with the methyls, you put 1 carbon. So yeah, this is 2 different methyls. So let me change back to the ethyl, which is this. Good question. There you are. All right, now that this one says I have 3 methyls, but they're all 1, even though you have 3 of them, it's just they're off of different things. Off of the 3, I have a methyl. And look, off of the 6 and 6, notice I put 6 twice. That just means that off of the 6th one, I have a methyl on either side. So that kind of hits what Danielle was talking about as well. We got carbons on either side. Then, off of the 5, I've got a prop. Prop is how many? 3. So 1, whoops, that's not a C, that's a backwards. 1, 2, 3. And this right here would be your 5-butyl 3,4-diethyl 3,6,6 trimethyl 5-propyl decane. How cool are you that you can draw that? You're super cool. Feels like it's my birthday. I'm that cool. So cool. Okay? So I think drawing is a lot easier. Let me go ahead and ask you to name one problem here, and then I'll move along. So how about you name this one? I'm going to put one out here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going do this. All right. And let's do this. All right, why don't you name that one? And we'll all get yourself a chance to do it. And I'll pause right now and I'll come back and do it in a second.